Hi everybody, thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm gonna be preparing turkey. It can be for any occasion, either for your Thanksgiving dinner, for your Christmas dinner, or any special occasion that you might have. I'm very simple at the ingredients that I'll be using. I basically use butter, mustard, chicken seasoning, and soda. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you like my video, please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and let's begin. These are the ingredients that we're gonna be using to prepare our turkey. Here we have butter, chicken flavor seasoning, a lot of mustard, and a dark soda. Okay guys, here's my turkey. It's about, let me see, I got it for about 13 pounds. So it's kind of a small, but we're not a big family. So we're gonna be using this turkey. Like I mentioned, I'll be using some butter, a lot of mustard. I have my chicken seasoning, I think it's how it says. I'll be using some oven bags, just one. This is from last year, so I have one left. So I'll be using that. And then I was able to get a dark soda. I usually like dark sodas for my turkey. You can also use I guess wine, but I don't know. I'm so used to for the soda. And here's my pot that I'll be using to do this. So let's begin by cutting this. This next. Let's see what we have here. What is it? We have water. I got it frozen from the store, and an easy way to defrost my turkey is just to leaving the turkey on the refrigerator, like not on the freezer, and just leave it there for the whole day. That'll be an easy way to defrost our turkey. I have the turkey right here. Okay, now I'm gonna grab one of the bags. Actually, the one left on the box. I thought I had two. I kind of remember buying 2 years in a row the bag, and I thought I had one left. I mean 2 left, like from 2 different times. Okay. So this one is about, let me see, 19 inches by 23.5 inches. Yeah, it'll fit there good. So now, in the area again. Ay, 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 it is heavy. Okay, there. I'm ready to continue. I don't know. If I don't know something how to cook it, I better not use it. I remember one time long ago, I was cooking this cow head, and I pulled out the ice because I thought they're kind of nasty. So since I didn't know that you can cook them, well, I just tossed them. And then somebody told me that they're delicious, that you also cook the ice of the cow, and you can eat them. And I was like, no, wait, I don't do that. Okay, okay. So I'm gonna remove a little bit of this because it is just the skin. I took a little break to show it to my little boy, and he was laughing. I was like doing this to him, and he's like, "Wow, it's the chicken!" So let's continue. So to make sure that it gets cooked good from the chest, remember this is the part where you find more meat on the on the turkey, also on the chicken. So I just cut it a little bit just to make sure that it's gonna get cooked on this area. I do it the same with the legs because you find more meat on these areas. And we're gonna be adding some of the chicken seasoning. So let's see, maybe 1 spoonful of the seasoning, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna be doing 5 of those. And we're gonna be spreading it all over our turkey. So 5 full spoons of the seasoning. And you might want to lift the skin a little bit to put some of the seasoning there too. This is a pretty simple recipe. I learned it years ago from my mother-in-law, and I feel grateful because after learning this simple recipe, I've been able to do it on my own. Okay, now we're gonna put some of the mustard, and we're gonna be doing the same. So spreading it all over our turkey. I like it with a lot of mustard. When I do chicken, I do the same. I do the same recipe. Okay, for the inside, what I usually do is that I take some more of the chicken seasoning. Let's do 1, 2, 3 full spoons of the seasoning. We're gonna put like maybe about this much of the butter, which is about 2 full spoons, 4, 6, about 6 full spoons of the of the butter. And then we're gonna put in our chicken seasoning. And some more of them. Wait. 1, 2, 3. And you just spread it inside and leave it there. I'm gonna add some more of the butter on the outside of the turkey. It doesn't look that good, but once cooked, oh my goodness, it'll be delicious. A little bit of more butter on the back. Now let's get this baby to the pan. Okay, one more thing, and this is a trick that I learned. Well, I recommend for you to put the turkey on its belly, and in that way all the juice that is gonna be going down is gonna cook the chest better. Remember I told you that the chest has more meat. Now the last ingredient is our liquid. In this case, I'm using a soda. It's a black one. Maybe 2 cups? Yeah, 2 cups will work. Okay, and I'm gonna put it on the side because I don't want the mustard to go down. Now, I know from the instructions on the back that I'm supposed to, okay, so I'm gonna close it from here. I usually tie it from the top. The instruction says to tie it from the side, but this is how I do it. And then I need to make a little hole just in case that it goes bigger. So just a little hole right there. So this baby is ready to go to the oven. Okay, we're taking the turkey to the oven, and we're gonna leave it there for about 3 hours and a half at 325 Fahrenheit. So let's leave it there. Oh. This is what happens when you're cooking in the kitchen and not wearing your apron, okay? I have mine over there. I recommend you guys when you're cooking or doing some cleaning around your house to listen to music. That helps a lot and motivates you to clean and cook at a different pace, okay? As you can see, the turkey is ready. Bye guys, thank you for watching, and was so glad making a turkey with you guys. Thank you for joining again, and was ready to eat. Bye.